Hi Kipsters, today is Friday, October 2nd, 2020. We are in day 29 of classes, and today you're going to be reading Fever chapters 16 through 17. So you should have already done your do now, where you thought about what the most difficult challenge Maddie has faced so far is. Make sure that you've written that down in full sentences in your space for your do now. I'm going to go through a quick intro to our lesson or the chapters that you're going to read. And once I'm done with that, you're going to ask yourself, what are the key events of the chapter, and begin reading those chapters. Don't forget you can click for audio so you can listen along as you read. Make sure you're answering all of the questions on the side and highlighting your text evidence, as well as stopping where you see the pause here to check the gist and make sure that that matches your own understanding. You want to go all the way to the end of the document, so you're reading all of these pages, which are about the pages of a book. So it should be pretty quick for you to do within the hour. Once you're done, click on day 29's exit ticket and make sure that you put your answers in the exit ticket so that you can see whether you are right or wrong. All right, now let's review or preview chapters 16 and 17. So in chapter 16, Maddie is going to leave Bush Hill, the hospital that she was in for fever victims. Maddie and grandfather are going to be traveling by wagon again because there are no cars at this time. In the wagon is going to be Mrs. Bowles, somebody who works at an orphan house or a house for children whose parents have died and have no one to take care of them. She's going to pose some really important questions to Maddie. That wagon is going to travel through Philadelphia, which now looks like a ghost town. It's very different than the thriving city that we saw at the beginning of the book. The fever has made it so there's not a lot of people out. As they're going through Philadelphia, they're going to see something called Potter's Field. This is actually a very serious scene, even though it's pretty short in the book. And Potter's Field is a mass grave. So at this point in Philadelphia, so many people are dying of the fever, then rather than bury each person separately, they're having to bury all of the people together just to keep up with the number of people who are dying. When Maddie and grandfather pass all of this and finally get home, they're going to see that something really big has happened to their coffee house. It's in disarray. Things are knocked over, broken, everything like that. When Maddie goes out to her garden, she's going to see that all of the plants have withered. They don't have a lot of plants that they can use for food. Okay, so this is just a preview of what you're going to see. There's going to be a lot more happening between these, but make sure that you're paying attention to these big events. Don't forget to highlight and annotate your text as you read, and complete your exit ticket when you're done.